very first cast of the day. I am glad I put a leader on. Use the leader. Look at that porker. See? Hooked in the right spot. Whoa. That's a dandy there. Oh, 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 oh. Under the boat. Let me get the back. I'm back reeling, or trying to, one-handed. Look at that. What a beauty. And my net, I have my sturgeon net with me, so it's not put together. I forgot to bring my regular net. Alright, I'm going to put the anti-reverse on. Hope for the best while I get the net out here. I didn't think I'd be needing this big net today. Get in there, Bubba. There we go. Done. That is a pig. First cast of the day. That's like better than what I caught all week. Oh, I can't even lift him in one-handed here. Gotta use both hands. Oh man, that's a nice fish. And fat. He must have just ate a couple walleyes or something. Don't be tearing my boat all up, big boy. Look at the gut on this thing. I gotta look at that fish. I'm gonna let him settle down. I'll get the tape measure on. See how long he is. If I can do it without getting bit. That is a big boy. Oh, half his tail's chewed off. He must have been in a fight with somebody else. .42-incher. I'm going to get a still picture, put him back. Well, after I let that huge northern go, I thought I might get jinxed, catch him on the first cast. Here's what he's been eating. I'm throwing it in the same spot I caught that northern. That's the second one of them I caught in a row here. Little pink 14-inch walleyes. I bet he had two of them in his stomach, or she had two of them in her stomach. But that's okay. So keeping me busy. I'm catching him on everything on a swimming ribster. Oh, here's the lure. Same old thing I've been using this year. I'll throw that little dink back and see if I can't catch another big northern. I didn't get any videos of that 30-incher. Because I was afraid it would get off. But I finally found some fish and they're cooperating. A decent walleye. Wish I had my little net though. He's got it in his swallowed, so I'll have to dip him up. Great big net. But it was nice to have this great big net for the pike and the big pike and the big walleye. Oh man, he's got it down there. He got it down there. Well, he's probably 19-incher. Nice fish. I'll have to get my long pliers out and try to save him. Looks like he's savable. Getting late in the day, and they're biting better. If this is a walleye, it's pretty good. don't think it's going to be no 30-incher like that one, but I'll take a 25. Whoop. I'm going to end up dropping the rod in the water one of these days. Let's see what it is. Come on. Sure acting like a walleye. Ooh, nice big old walleye. Yeah. Probably 25, like I was saying. He's just laying there, so I'll scoop him up. Maybe I'll scoop him up. Something like that. Okay. Probably 5 pounder. I'm guessing that 30-incher was at least a 10. I didn't weigh him. But I'm gonna unhook him and let him go.